Hi, I'm Hilary Talbott, acupuncture physician and clinical herbalist, coming to you from St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we will be discussing acupressure points that are helpful in treating headaches, neck, and shoulder tension. Now, it's important to understand what the pattern of disharmony is that's actually causing you your pain. There are many meridians that run through the shoulders, the neck, and into the head that could be the cause of disharmony. So you want to visit your local acupuncture physician to better understand your diagnosis and then obtain acupressure points that are specific for you. So I'm going to show you some general points today that are great trigger points for the shoulders and the neck, as well as headaches that begin in the occiput or the back of the neck and kind of work their way over into the head. These are often referred to as tension headaches or stress headaches. So one of the most common ones for neck and shoulder pain is gallbladder 21. This point is located at the top of the trapezius muscle, and the trapezius muscle is this muscle that runs above from the shoulder to the neck. And to find it, you're just going to squeeze it and find for the high point, and with your finger, press down into the hollow that is created into the muscle belly. Most people will let you know as soon as you find this because it's immediately kind of satisfying to the pain. This has a pretty strong down-bearing action, so this is one point that you would not want to use, let's say, if your patient was pregnant. And because of the nature of this point and of where it is in the big trapezius muscle and how tension can kind of lock up these muscles, you need to apply pretty moderate to firm pressure and for about 2 minutes. Now, if your finger isn't enough, you can use your thumb. And when you're using your thumb, you don't want to just press with your thumb or they'll fatigue pretty quickly, but you want to use the leverage of your arm and kind of your body weight to push into the point. And you can hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds and then release. And kind of do this over and over until these muscles are loosened up and some of the shoulder and neck tension starts to dissipate. Now, another really helpful acupressure point is the one on the gallbladder channel 1 up, which is gallbladder 20. This point is great for the tension and neck pain that starts here at the occiput or the base of the skull. And you find it just by locating the occiput bone, which is kind of this big protuberance here at the bottom of the skull, and then you just work your fingers out laterally until you find the hollow. And the patient will actually let you know because generally it's kind of an ah feeling as soon as you find that point. And again, these muscles can become pretty tight, especially if you're extremely stressed out or sitting at a computer all day. And so some firm pressure is needed. And again, you can use your thumbs. And this is great because this is one that you can do on yourself. Also really good when you first feel like you're getting sick and you're kind of getting the neck and head and body aches that come along with your typical cold or flu. Okay. So again, it's important to understand what your patterns of disharmony are causing you pain so that you have a good diagnosis so that you can understand which acupressure points will work for you. In order to do that, find your local acupuncture physician or visit acufinder.com. I'm Hilary Talbott, and that was acupressure for head, neck, and shoulder tension.